Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well. This is another update video by my channel called Passive Income Platforms. Today is Monday, September the 11th, 2023. Before we get started, I just want to remind all of you, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice and I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a dude on YouTube showing you guys how I'm cranking out that crypto in many different platforms, nothing more and nothing less. Now, if you like this content, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you want to be updated and notified about everything going on here on my channel called Passive Income Platforms, please make sure that you hit the notification bell as well. Always remember to invest as much as you can afford to lose. And as a final disclaimer, nothing on my channel is a financial advice nor the legal advice. It's just for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm going to talk about SCF. As you may know, this is one of my favorite ecosystem in this space. If you go to aave.ai, you can see the SCF with this address ending to 9F89 is currently being traded at $60.92. So quite a few times it hit over $61.25 and so on and so forth. And as you may see, the trend is upward. So each candle is showing 4 hours. Right now, $61.29, right? And if you go on a daily, if you see the daily candle, you could see the upward momentum. It's going up, right? So apparently, same as many other stocks, many other commodities and pairs, forex pairs, it's going up and down. It's not like every second it's going up. It's going up, down, up, down, up, down. But the momentum, as you may see, it's upward momentum, right? Today I'm going to talk about the Excel sheet that I put together. If you remember. Again, this is not a financial advice. It's just you shouldn't take this example as a financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes only. And please tune into my channel, youtube.com at passive income platforms / passive income platforms, right? So originally I was talking about this Excel sheet, right? So these are the basically criteria and the guidelines by SCF ecosystem being released. So we could choose, when we do the pledge mining, we could choose between FUSD and SCF for 7 days, 15 days, 30 days, right? So, and we could receive these percentages on a daily basis. If we choose, let's say, SCF for 30 days, so it's 1.4% per day, right? So for example, if I put the capital of, let's say, $5,000, right? And my terms would be, for example, if I choose, let's say, 15 days, and if I go with FUSD, right? Excuse me. So if I put $5,000 and for 15 days and choose the currency of FUSD. This is the calculation based on this ecosystem, the guidelines. So each day for 15 days, I will receive $55. Total $825 for the period, right? Chosen. So, and this is the potential annual projection. If I go, if I repeat this cycle again and again and again for each month, I'm going to receive $1,650, $1,650, so on and so forth. For after 12 months, it's over $19,000. And if I do compound, meaning if I, instead of taking my $1,650 out of the ecosystem, instead of doing that, put it back into the pledge mining. Meaning originally I had $5,000, and if I add my earnings after 1 month, so it's going to be $5,000 plus $1,650, so it's $6,650. Then I'm gonna earn on this one, right? Then the next month I'm gonna earn on this much. So if I do compound, 100% compound, which I don't suggest doing so, but this is just for entertainment purpose only, right? You should have your own game plan. Maybe you want to take 50% off the ecosystem, off the blockchain. Go spend on your, pay your bills. Take out of the, blockchain, and maybe you want to put another 50% doing compound. But this example is if you do 100% compound, right? So if you do so, your $5,000 at the end of the 12-month period would be over $153,000, right? And what if I choose, let's say, 30 days and SCF? So based on this table, SCF for 30 days is the highest percentage per day. So if I do put $5,000 into pledge capital and choose 30 days, the longer period, and choose SCF versus FUSD, then you see my earning would be not compounded even, so it would be over $25,000. My $5,000 at the end of the year would be $25,000, and if I do compound, would be a lot more. Okay, so basically, I showed you this one as my Excel sheet originally, right? Then I added this game plan. So let's say if I need, let's say, $1,000. I need $1,000 for the end of the month, right? For whatever reason. I want to buy a bicycle. I want to purchase something. I want to pay some bills, right? If I need $1,000, so this is just a game plan. You need to put $2,777 in FUSD locked for 30 days, or $6,060 in FUSD for 15 days, so on and so forth, right? So these are basically the game plan, showing you based on the company's this blockchain ecosystem, the criteria. Based on this, it's calculating automatically. So if you want to earn $1,000, right? So you need to put $2,777 or $6,000 or $14,000, or if you put in FTC, I have to change these to SCF. So FTC is changed to SCF. So if you want to put in SCF instead of FUSD, so you need to put $2,380 for 30 days, so on and so forth, right? But I recently added this, the third page, which is this one. Let's say I need $2,500, but I have, let's say, $800, right? Let's say this is just an example. I need at the end of the month $2,500, but my capital, the only money I have is $800. So the game plan shows you need to put, it says you need to put your $800, which is your capital, in FUSD for 30 days plan 9 times. Basically, this table showing you, considering how much you have and how much you are willing to have as an extra profit, extra earnings on top of your $800, on top of your capital, how much you want to earn, how long you have to put your funds, your capital, into different cycles. For example, I have $800 and I would like to get $2,500 to pay my loan, to pay my mortgage, to pay for my car payment, whatever reason, right? So it shows you, based on your $800, you need to put your $800 in FUSD 30-day plan, 50-day plan, 15 days plan, or 7 days plan. How many cycles? 9 times, or 19 times, or 45 times. Or if you want to put in SCF for 30 days, 15 days, 7 days, how many times? So, and it's nearly about 9 months or 9.5 months or 10.5 months, right? In this example, particular example. Let me show you. If I change to, let's say, if I have $1,000 and I need to earn $1,800, on top of my $1,000, right? So it shows, it calculates and it says you need to put your capital, your $1,000, in FUSD 30-day plan 5 times, which is 5 months, right? Or you need to put your capital, $1,000, in FUSD 15 days 11 times, or 5.5 months. So basically, based on this, it's gonna you're gonna see how many cycles you need to put your money into work. So this is another sort of a calculation, like reverse engineering, to see how much I if I have basically certain amount as my capital, how many cycles I have to put to earn certain profits or certain earnings, right? This is basically another update on my Excel sheet. If you want to get this Excel sheet, please put your email address in the comment section below. I have my Telegram channel link in the comment section below. If you want to be part of my Telegram channel, please join my Telegram. I'm talking about SCF ecosystem and many other platforms in my Telegram channel, as well as if you want to be part of this great blockchain ecosystem, SCF, I have my link down below. If you like, you could join as my team. I showed you in my previous videos how to join this beautiful ecosystem. I hope you like this content. If you do so, please make sure you click the like button, and as well as share this video with your friends, families, partners, and associates, and let them know if they want. Basically, they can receive this Excel sheet as well. Hope you like this content. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the ring bell to notify when I upload a new video and talk about some other opportunities. It's a pleasure to be able to bring incredible platforms to you guys to help you guys to increase your portfolios, diversify it, and earn additional stream of income potentially, right? Please make sure that you invest as much as you can afford to lose. And I know it sounds cliche, but make sure to be comfortable whatever amount that you put in any platforms, any blockchains, doesn't matter which one is it. So you have to be comfortable losing it, right? You never know, maybe platforms or ecosystem on different blockchains work perfectly fine today, but they disappear tomorrow, right? Don't get married to any sort of a platforms and any sort of a ecosystems, right? So thank you so much for watching, and see you at the top.